Once I have the glue downs dry, that was the next day, so I'm going to take some of the glue that was still stuck over here, something like not straight. So I just take it with my chisel. Here's some more. One more here. Once I do that, all I'm going to have to do now is just use my belt sander. Here's the belt sander that I'm using. That's going to be just to remove the rest of the glue over there, as you see. And I'm using just like very rough sandpaper. It's right here. So we're going to use a this is a 50 grit belt that I'm going to be putting on this. This belt sander. It's easy. And I'm going to proceed at front.